Have you ever thought about setting up your own woodworking shop, but felt limited by space or money? I've been there too. I wanted to start something of my own, work with my hands, create, sell. But the tight budget and small space always held me back. That's when I found a guide that changed everything for me. Ultimate Small Shop. Ultimate Small Shop is a super complete guide that teaches you how to set up a fully functional woodworking shop in small spaces, like a garage, small room, or even a balcony. The best part, with a budget of under $1,000, which is almost unbelievable these days. The guide gives you a step-by-step plan, straight to the point. It shows how to choose the right tools without spending on what you don't need, optimize layouts to make use of every inch of space, and even a list of suppliers offering serious discounts. This actually saved me a lot of money. Plus, it comes with some really cool bonuses, like tips on getting cheap lumber and alerts for tool deals. If you're just starting out like I was, you might feel a bit lost. There are so many tools, models, prices, and it's easy to think you need a lot to make it work. But this guide showed me you can start simple, functional, and with a smart plan. For anyone looking to turn a hobby into extra income, or even build a full business, this is an amazing foundation. With a small investment, you can build your shop, start producing pieces, selling them, and watch your work turn into something real, something yours. So if you're looking for an affordable, practical, and well-structured way to build your own shop, Ultimate Small Shop is totally worth it. I'll leave the official link in the description. Take a look because there's a limited time offer going on, and they have a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Good luck on your journey, and may your dream workshop start today.